Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best leaf shredder in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Our top pick for the best leaf shredder is the Works 13-amp electric leaf mulcher, which offers a mighty 53 gallons of shredding and mulching per minute, putting it up there as one of the most efficient beasts we've selected. With a mulching ratio of 11:1, you might drown in leaf shreds by the end. Not that you'll care, you'll be too enamored by what this guy can do. It's easy to put together, with fast tool-free assembly, which also means it's easy to store once winter rolls around. The collection bag fits perfectly underneath to catch your mulched leaves, making it easy to move them from the garden to wherever you want to put them. Many customers have commented that it makes for great fertilizer, so if you've not explored that option yet, keep it in mind. However, the bladeless trimmer feels a little too flimsy for some. You can purchase alternatives online though, so if there's enough about this that you love, this minor problem shouldn't affect you too much. If you are looking for more amazing products for your garden, check out our guide to the best hedge trimmers. For our best gas-powered choice, we've handpicked this heavy-duty unit from Great Circle, USA. It's the ideal choice for gardeners or anyone with a large backyard or extensive lawns, as it can tackle volume cleaning up at speed. From dead leaves to branches covering your land, this 3-in-1 robust machine can handle all your chipping, shredding, and mulching needs. It features both a top hopper as well as a side chute, so that you can efficiently tackle all kinds of cleaning up jobs around the garden. The large capacity top hopper is ideal for volume shredding. It has a mulch reduction capacity of 15:1, which makes an excellent source of recyclable compost to sustain a natural outdoors ecosystem. The side chute features a 3-inch diameter cone that's ideal for auto-fading smaller branches and tree limbs, simultaneously keeping you safe while saving time and energy. The third vacuum-style option enables you to load leaves via the vacuum inlet for convenient mulching without the need to rake by hand. Simply attach a side-loading bag to capture and collect wood chips and mulch cleanly. The final point we should mention is regarding that sturdy and reliable gas-powered motor. It's fitted with a 7 HP 212cc recoil engine that features a forced air cooling system. There's a safe fuel shut-off function, as well as a low oil sensor that shuts down the engine if it detects that it's running too low for safe operation. It runs on a minimum of 87 plus octane gasoline and has a maximum capacity of 0.7 gallons. For more must-have products for gardeners, check out our guide to the best leaf bags. Our next best leaf shredder recommendation is from the manufacturer Sunjo, and it's their versatile CJ603E, which is a fully electric and silent running chipper and shredder. It's powerful yet versatile and can effortlessly turn leaves, branches, and twigs into eco-friendly mulch, which can be used as compost. Talking of mulch, this has one of the best leaf to mulch ratios we've reviewed at a highly impressive 21:1. The robust and reliable 15-amp motor also gets to work quickly and efficiently to chips and shred even thicker branches up to 1.73 inches in diameter. This Sunjo lead shredder is compact and portable and comes fitted with 7-inch wheels so that it's easy to transport. It's lightweight yet robust, and you should have no problem maneuvering around your backyard. The slimline design also makes it convenient to store away when not in use. Simply secure it in a garden shed or garage. It's also very low maintenance and requires minimal cleaning. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth if it does pick up any dirt. While the motor may well be powerful, there are also essential safety features incorporated into the design, including a locking knob that prevents the motor from being operated when the hopper is open. The built-in safety stop automatically engages so you can go about cleaning up your yard and enriching your garden with confidence and ease. Offering both shredding and mulching options is always a good thing when looking for the perfect leaf mulcher, and the Sunjo 13 amps mulcher shredder does just that. Boasting the same power as the Works, it also comes with an easy-to-control dial, which helps you alternate between damp or dry garden waste. This kind of feature is crucial for preventing blockages and any potential damage that could occur, so good on Sunjo. The fun doesn't stop there though. You can also mulch up to 12 gallons of leaves per minute at an astounding 8,000 RPM. Sure, this isn't as much as the Works, but maybe you don't need the power the Works brings to the yard. Also included is smart shred technology, which combined with an advanced motor cooling system ensures safety, and we love safety. You must keep an eye of the waste bag, as it has a habit of shifting out on the place, dumping freshly mulched leaves all over the floor. As long as you're vigilant, though, you'll find there's almost too much to love about this, and at less than $100, it's our choice for the best value, so snap them up while you still can. If you also have a lawn, keep it perfect with some of the best riding lawn mowers from our list. Despite sounding like a terrible reboot of a dying sci-fi franchise, the Flowtron, the ultimate mulcher electric leaf shredder, is probably more successful than any desperate cash grab released in recent years. Looking at you, Transformers. It comes with a plethora of cool features, including shredding adjustment settings ranging from coarse to fine and easy angle positioning, so you can practice your ball skills from anywhere in the yard. Using a two-step process, it both shreds and mulches leaves for optimum efficiency and comes with 36 replacement cutting lines to ensure consistent results and excellent quality, which we love. It's also lightweight and portable, so you'll have no trouble dragging it around the yard, nor storing it when the weather turns. You can't throw just anything in there though, and it's only effective with leaves and needles, as opposed to larger garden waste, branches, thick twigs, etc. That being said, when used properly, it's fast-acting and efficient, and we still expect to hear dramatic thumping bass whenever we say its name, followed by an ominous all-seeing voiceover. It also makes a perfect gift for gardeners in your life.